Namaste all of you. Today I am making Rajasthani jali roti. For that I am using 2 cups of wheat flour, then ghee, salt and water. So now first I am going to add little salt, then 2 spoons of ghee, now we have to mix them nicely. This ghee and wheat flour, we have to mix it nicely first. So like this we have to first mix the ghee with wheat flour. Now add water and make the dough. So like this we have to make the dough. It should not be very soft or hard like normal how we used to make chapati. Like that we have to make the dough. So once the dough is ready, now apply little ghee over this like this, and I am going to keep it for 15 minutes. Just cover it and keep it for 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes again we will knead this dough. So like this we have to make balls, big size balls we have to make. So like this I made the balls. Now I am going to make the jali roti. First I will show you how to prepare it. So first put some dry this wheat flour. Just make a big roti like this, then apply some ghee over this. Then some dry atta we have to, this wheat flour we have to spread on this, and again spread it. Now just roll it. Like this we have to roll it fully. So like this we have to roll it. Then after that again we have to make, just roll like this. Press it. Put some dry atta, again wheat flour, then do like this. So this much is enough. We have to keep it thick only like this. So now I am going to cook this jadi roti. So again I am applying ghee. If you don't like ghee, then you can use other oil also, but jari roti actually it tastes nice if you use ghee. This moment we have to do like this. We have to prick it, and this side also. Now apply some ghee. So you can see this jari roti is almost ready. So from both sides we have to cook it nicely. So one more I am going to show you how to cook this. One more time I am going to show you how to cook this. So like this we can make the jari roti, and even the jari roti with this we can make churma also. I'll show you how to do how to make the churma. So you can see friends, this jari roti is ready. So now I will tell you how to make the churma. With this jari roti only we can make the churma. Like this we have to do. So first we have to make small pieces like this. Then I'm adding 1 spoon of ghee and sugar. You can even use jaggery powder. Then again mix it well. So this the churma is ready. So like this is known as churma. So this jari roti you can have with the pickle, little pickle I am putting. So with pickle you can have, or else with fry dal recipe, with that also you can have this jari roti. You can see how soft it is. And this is churma. So thank you so much friends for watching the video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe.